Yo guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video we will start working on this Honda XR400 again. It needs some work, so let's get into it.
Stop wasting stuff and start rebuilding.
So guys, we got the brand new package in from 24MX. Got the brand new plastic set for the XR400. The white ones for the 1997. Pretty good. I got this for a crazy good deal. I got it for 84 bucks, the whole plastic set. And these ones were 11 euros apart, so not that crazy expensive. Those plugs is for the red XR400 for the 2000 model, because it didn't run right, so I think this is the problem. So for the white XR400 we're still waiting on a carb rebuild kit, so but for now we can throw this one in the 2000 model and see if it starts up. So let's do this right now. So right here we got the new headlight. Let's get the old headlight off and see if we can mount this thing the right way, and if it looks good and if it clears the oil cooler.
So right now we have two problems. One of them is when I open the throttle, then it wants to stall. And also when I put the choke off, then it wants to stall. So I think it's running rich, but I'm not sure. So later on in the video we will check this and maybe change the jets.
We did the first startup. I had the clutch cable on the wrong side and it burned a hole through. So we took the clutch cable from this bike and put it on the other XR, just to make sure that we got one good one, and this one I will order a new one for.
Let me show you what happens when I give the bike a lot of gas. So as you just saw, it wants to stall when I open up the throttle. So I think it's running rich, and we can check this by seeing the color of the spark plug. So let's see.
The spark plug right here, and it's very black, so it gets too much fuel. So maybe you have to put a smaller jet in the carb, or adjust the screw right here. So guys, I finally got the carb rebuild kit for the Honda XR400. This is for the white one, the 97. And here we got some main jets for the 2000 model, because it's I think it's getting too much fuel. But we will check that right now. So let's go to the garage now. So right now let's get this off and see if we can get the main jet out and see what size is in it. Then maybe change it to a smaller size. So there was a jet size 158 in it. And I have a 155 and a 152. And we will try the 152 to see if it makes it worse or makes it better. And then let's check if it doesn't bug when you give it throttle. So let's see it. So the jet is in the carburetor. Now let's put some fuel in and see if it's fixed or if it's still bugging down. So the problem we are having with this XR right now is that when we give it gas, it wants to stall. And I think it's because the valves are not really right adjusted. So I bought a brand new fuel gauge. And now we can do the valves again. So let's take off the tank and let's redo the valves then. So for the exhaust it's 0.13 millimeters and the intake is 0.10. So right now the fuel gauge fits perfectly fine in there. So let's get the covers back on and then see if it runs better. So now let's take off the spark plug to see if it's black or what color it is, and then from there on we can clean the spark plug and put it back in and see if it runs rich or lean. So let's check that now. Let's clean this off and put it back in the bike. So right now I think I have to order some smaller main jets, smaller pilot jets, and maybe I have to change the needle position, because that can also lean it out, because it's getting way too much fuel right now. So yes, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions what could be the problem. And if you have the same problem and you fixed it, please let me know in the comments down below. That would be amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and I hope to see you in next part where we hopefully gonna make this engine run correct.